Central Morris County, northern Somerset County, northeastern Middlesex
Oh my
County
goodness.
until 5:15 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middlesex, or over Plainfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Dude, what the heck is happening? I like hearing. God damn.
And power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Bridgewater, Carteret, Middlesex, Donbrook, Manville, Attica and Gladstone, Far Hills, Colonia, Martinsville, Millington, White House Station, Society Hill,
Yes, sir.
Woodbridge, South Plainfield, and North Plainfield. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 11 and 12. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 22 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 28. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 26 and 130.
I know.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
God damn.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey.
Yes, sir.
Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey.
Yes, sir. Why?
The National